Hello everyone, this is a video tutorial on how to use 1Password. In this video, we're going to show you step by step how to set up your 1Password account and fill you in on everything you need to know about its key features. 1Password is a strong password manager that lets you securely store, organize, and manage your passwords. It's trusted by individuals, businesses, and even major organizations like Oracle Red Bull Racing for its high-level security. As the name suggests, all you need to remember is one master password, and that gives you access to all your other passwords. That way you don't have to worry about remembering every single one of them. To begin, you click Get Started Free. Once you do that, you'll be shown the different plans available. Here you've got the Team Starter Pack, the Business Plan, Enterprise Plan, Individual Plan, and Families Plan. So you have to choose a plan based on your needs. For the purpose of this video, we will choose the Individual Plan. To do that, please click Try Free for 14 days. Great, now we're on the sign up page, and on this page you can see the benefits of using 1Password. First, your personal account can be used with multiple devices. Next, you've got high-level security with authenticated encryption, which means it thoroughly verifies your data and ensures that you're the only one who's allowed to access your passwords. It's also got this feature called PAKE, which stands for Password Authenticated Key Exchange. It's a feature that allows you to log in without sending your passwords over the internet, which helps reduce hacking. And if a website is compromised or you've got a weak password, you receive a notification from 1Password. It's got 24/7 customer support, and it's available on all major operating systems. Here on your right, you've got the option of adding a browser extension. Now, this browser extension automatically fills in your details in your web browser. It works with Chrome, Firefox, and the others. Once this browser extension is installed, you see a 1Password icon, and just by clicking it, you can automatically fill in your details, like your saved usernames and your password. So that's the advantage of having a browser extension. To move on, we'll click Add it later. If you'd like to install the browser extension, you can click Add extension. If you'd like to do it later, you can click Skip. Now you'll be required to type in your name and your preferred email address. If you'd like to get emails from 1Password, you can select this. So let's carry on. Now a verification code has been sent to my email. I'll have to get the code. The code has been typed in. We'll click Next now. This is basically talking about your secret key and your password. You need both of them to set up new devices, but you need just your password to unlock your account. It is now time for you to type in your master password. As it clearly states here, this is the 1Password you need to remember. And for security reasons, this password can't be reset, so ensure that you do not forget it. My master password has been typed in. Let's move on to the next. Since it's a free trial, you've got the option of adding a payment method or creating an account and then adding a payment method later. Let's do that later. You're now required to generate a secret key. This secret key is very important because it works with your master password to ensure that no one gains access to your 1Password vault. And as mentioned earlier, to set up a new device, you need your master password and your secret key. Under no circumstances should your secret key be shared with anyone. That's why it's called a secret key. Let's generate the secret key. This is what pops up when your secret key has been generated. Please remember that it is not recommended to save this file in your device. Ensure that it is kept in a safe location offline. That being said, let's carry on. Great, now that we've successfully signed in, we can explore what we've got here. So remember that this is a free trial, so you need to add your payment details before it ends to keep using your 1Password account. And here's a reminder that you can download the 1Password extension browser or browser extension. You can import your passwords from other password managers like Google Chrome or LastPass, and you can have your 1Password account on multiple devices. And here on your right corner, you've got developer tools. Now, this is mainly for developers. It's an advanced feature for developers. Here you've got integrations. This lets you connect your 1Password account to other apps. Then billing shows you the plans if you'd like to perhaps switch to a family plan or team starter pack plan. Do that here. Then invite people is a feature for a family plan or a team plan that lets you have shared plans with other people and of course invite them like it says here. Here you've got vaults. So a vault is sort of like a folder that lets you store your passwords, credit card details, documents, and other items. You can create different vaults for different purposes, and each vault requires your master password to access what is contained in each of them. Your 1Password account usually has a default vault created for you, but you can create your vault. Now we're going to walk you through creating a vault. To create a vault, you click New Vault. You're required to choose a name for it and a description just to help you remember what it's used for or what you've got stored in it. You could also choose to change the icon. So there are a couple of icons here. So now let's create a vault named School Project. So let's choose this icon. And in the description, you could be more specific. Science Project. You may even choose to change the icon. So let's choose this one. Our vault name will be social media. So our description could be passwords and usernames. You can always edit the details. If you'd like to change the name of the vault, you could change it, or the description. Now let's view the vault. We're inside the vault now, the social media account vault. You can see how amazing it looks. So let's explore it. Let's see what we can do with it. Here you've got favorites, and the next is Watchtower. Now Watchtower helps you to monitor the health of your passwords. Yeah, it helps you detect vulnerabilities. Then you've got Archive and Recently Deleted. So let's add a new item to this vault, shall we? Click here. And so you've got different options here. There's login, there's credit card, password, API, credential, crypto wallet, driver license. Yeah, and lots of other interesting options. Since this is for social media accounts, let's choose login. And so you can type in your username and password for the specific social media account. Let's assume this is for an Instagram account. You could change this to Instagram. All right, then say your username is Stella123, password. You can choose a password. So this is the password now. As you can see here, it's even got an option for creating a new password for you. So it could suggest a password for you. Let's see. So it could be a random password, a memorable password, or a PIN code. So whichever you'd like. So let's use a random password. This is our new item and we're going to save it now. Excellent. Now it's been added to our list of items. If you'd like to share an item in your vault, you could go to Share. This lets you manage the other user's access to this item. So you could choose the duration. It could be 7 days. It could be an hour, 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, even up to 30 days. And you may choose to make it general, anyone with the link, or just limited to a few people. You'll be required to type in the email of the user. And you can even choose how many times it can be viewed. So after this, you can copy the link and share it with the intended 1Password user. In this video, we've discussed the key features of 1Password, how to set up a 1Password account, how to open a vault, and how to share your items in your vault with other users. We hope that with these clear instructions, you'll find 1Password easy to navigate. Thank you very much for watching.